Hi, today we are going to look at IXL and how we will begin this program. So first of all, you will go to your class link and click on IXL to get into the program. Once you are in, if you take a look at the top, you will see the word learning, the word diagnostic, and the word analytics. The first thing that we are going to do is go into the diagnostic. Now, this is a word that means we want to find out what you know. So the first thing that we have to do is you are going to do some diagnostic problems. One thing I want you to be aware of is that it is okay if you do not know something. It wants to see what you know. Please do not have parents help with this portion. If parents help you, it might put you at a level that is way too high for you to do problems. So the purpose of this test is so that it will give you problems that are at your level, that will teach you things, and that will challenge you. And so that you're comfortable in doing things with this program and you can get the most out of this program. Now, once you click diagnostic, you're in what's called the diagnostic arena, and it gives you information. When you first log in, though, you will not see any of these numbers. I am in a sample student's account, so they have already done some problems, and that's why it is giving some information here. So the first thing that you'll do once you click on the diagnostic is you need to step into the arena to start doing the problems. So you will click on the step into the arena, and then it says ready to start, choose a question. Okay? So you will click the question, you will read it, and you will click an answer. Once you click the answer, you will hit submit. And it tells you right away that wasn't it, but you can try again later. Not a problem if you do not know something. So the next one, the word photograph contains the root photo. What does the root photo mean? So in the realm of what does the prefix photo mean, and I'm going to remember from when we did prefixes last year that photo means light. So I'm going to click light and click submit, and it told me that I am right. Okay? So once you've done many problems, it will start updating your levels. Remember, it will not do that right away with you because you are just starting the diagnostic. In this sample student program that I am in right now, they have already done some of the problems. So let's say I read this and it says, which sentence best combines the main ideas of both texts? Now, I know that 4th and 5th graders know what main idea is, but let's just say you're like, I have no idea what main idea is. I haven't been taught that. Well, look down in the right-hand corner of my screen where it says, I don't know this yet. Okay? See where I just brought up that black bar? All right, so if you go to the right-hand corner, if you are like, I just have no idea, don't guess. Just say, I have no idea. I haven't learned that yet. And then that way it'll make sure that it gives you some of those problems or teachings to help you with problems. Now, when you're doing the diagnostic, it will mix up math and language arts reading questions. So don't be like, well, why did I just do a reading and now I'm in math? It will mix it up so you don't get bored with the diagnostic. So this says the shape is made of unit squares. What is the area of the shape? So if you're like, well, I have never learned area, click, I don't know this yet. Okay? and then they'll make sure that they do that later for you. Now, once you have spent the first amount of time on this program, it will give you problems that you can go in and do that are at your level. All right? So for the rest of this week, I don't want you to do that yet. Each day, I want you to spend about 20 minutes in this diagnostic so that it can develop levels. All right? And then the following week, I will teach you how to get into your learning wall to do the problems. Right? So this first week, coming back, from September 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th, you are going to work about 20 minutes a day in this diagnostic arena. Okay? Remember, read the program. If you think you know it, you can go ahead and click things, but make sure you read it carefully. All right? And it will help you. So to go back over what you will do, you will come into the diagnostic each day this week. Okay? You will click Step into the Arena. Okay? And it will bring up problems that you will work on for about 20 minutes on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. Remember, once you're in the problems, you read it. If you think you know how to figure it out, try it and click Submit. If you don't know it yet, then go over to the right-hand corner that says I don't know this yet and click on it. And that's all you have to do in IXL for this week.